ALine engineers and manufactures microfluidic products, applying scientific principles to address your engineering requirements. For nearly 2 decades, ALine has developed expert engineering solutions, allowing our customers to move their product quickly from research and development to product transfer and large-scale manufacturing. With the influx of venture capital and the need for first-class lab space in the biotech industry, ALine has grown and expanded into a state-of-the-art facility ready for the future.
We moved to this beautiful new facility in Signal Hill, halfway between Orange County and the things that are going up, say, at UCLA and USC or Pasadena at Caltech. And we have 13,000 square feet. It's a facility that's fitted out with a beautiful laboratory space for doing biowork, a large clean room, a large space for doing production, and another nice space for doing engineering, and we have a conference room just for the engineers to hang out and exchange ideas and have conference calls with customers.
ALine's unique culture of scientific excellence and practical problem solving is realized in the quality and performance of every device we build. ALine engages customers in product-focused engineering of plastic single-use microfluidic cartridges. Its clients hit key programmatic milestones that energize the next round of investment.
ALine has impacted the industry over the years by providing a platform technology and a toolbox of functions that allows us to integrate and automate any type of assay into a microfluidic cartridge. In order to address ALine's customers' needs, the skills that I had to develop over the course of the years are really focused on the systems engineering and the ability to look at the project in a very holistic view, thinking about the fluidics, the assay development, the optics, the thermal control, instead of focusing on a single component, really looking at the whole program and being able to support the overall goals of the program.
ALine's unique capabilities and advanced manufacturing skills solve novel challenges and deliver solutions to customers.
One of the things that makes ALine special is the variety of customers that we work with. Their fields range from academia to medicine. Now, this brings us different challenges because each customer was working on their own projects. Now, this requires us to be flexible to be able to work from one project to another, but that also gives us the opportunity to learn from one project and apply it to the next.
And we're able to carve out this path for future applications by doing a lot of internal R&D. And this is where it's really helpful to have a multidisciplinary team on board. Because R&D by nature attempts to go beyond what's established, it's good to have different perspectives at the table. And we've really done a good job at ALine cultivating an environment where everyone feels comfortable bringing any new idea to the table. So it's no surprise that if you look at the mid to high level staff, a lot of us came from the production floor. And even the staff that decided to move to different companies have been able to slingshot themselves to worthwhile positions through their experience at ALine.
ALine has been very good at solving a lot of interesting customer problems over the last 18 years. And the place where we need to move now is to really build on that and grow our manufacturing, scale it up so that we can take programs from early idea stage all the way through to commercialization. This is something we've done in the past, but in order to meet our customers' needs for speed and quality, and as well as bringing the costs down, we really need to bring in more automation. So our goal for the next year or two is to invest in scale-up technology, both die cutting, roll-to-roll manufacturing, in order to support taking customer programs to commercialization.
What makes ALine great are the people. Embedded in ALine's culture is the desire to meet our customers' critical technical and business deadlines.
The team works together, they inspire each other, and they are able to bounce ideas back and forth from one another. And The most important thing for me is to really have that inspiration.
I've been here for 5 years, and I'm just as excited to be here as I was 5 years ago. And I think part of the reason why that is we could sit down with a customer on a Monday and deliver fully functioning devices by Friday. And having that speed and quick turnaround for something tangible is really gratifying for any designer.
ALine meets and exceeds critical milestones through its proprietary laminate fabrication processes that allow seamless scale-up from tens of parts to 100s and even 10,000s.
Some of the other areas of growth for us include not just being able to do the foundational technology we have in laminates, but to also then build on that and do the assembly. Laminates are just one component in a lot of diagnostic and life science products. They need to combine with injection molded components, need to be able to put in reagents, to have liquids that are stored on the cartridge. What we want to be able to do is to do the assembly and manufacture to bring all of those components together into a final product package.
ALine has developed and maintained exceptional quality control practices that exceed customer expectations.
Last year, we've been working on an automated reporting tool that links to our work instructions.
The reporting tool captures categories that are specific to our build process. It also helps us know in specific areas where we're succeeding and where we're not. We can look at the data collectively and see where we need to focus our quality control efforts.
ALine has many success stories and accomplishments, including ALine's cell culture card, which flew on NASA's first GenSat space mission.
There's a lot of new things going on in organ engineering, organ-on-chip technology, and while we do make organ-on-chip devices, what's really needed are better ways of handling the upstream fluid handling. And that's where ALine's valve technology has really superior performance and has a very clear role in helping to do much more sophisticated experiments to support organ-on-chip and therapeutic organ engineering. And we already have commercialized one example of that, which is a valve manifold that has 144 onboard pneumatically controlled valves that is currently available in a commercial instrument. So we just see there's lots of other opportunities to build on that valve technology. And that's very exciting.
Want to learn more about microfluidic design, materials, and pilot manufacturing? Contact us at info@alineinc.com.